guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is ChrismanXMNN, and for today's video we're going to have a travel vlog, and it's gonna be Samboan, Cebu, Philippines. So let's go guys.
PM. The next day.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video guys, we're going to have a vacation here in Samboan, and we are currently at Arana's Family Beach Resort. So this is their contact number, and we are gonna see their accommodation, and you see what you will expect in this beach resort. So this is their rates guys. Come a little. So these are the rates. And now we are going to do marketing. So we'll go to the market and we'll see what are the food that we can eat there. So come join me. So here's a bukid guys. We will see a lot of animals such as goat. Hi goat. Baby goat. Baby goat. Yeah, how's the food?
Tamis siya actually.
So guys, first up, early in the morning, we are going to take our breakfast, and these are our food. So guys, we're done eating, so we will go back to our camping site. Let's go. Alright guys, so we are now here at the beach front, and I'll tour you around where we camp. So this is the sea guys, but it's actually raining right now. So let me tour you around. So let's go. So they're setting up their tent here. So ito siya guys. So B-roll intro. Now we're going to Dao Falls together with Pak Boy. So what should we expect there?
The Falls is one of the char.
Oh my god, she doesn't. She.
Sabi ko na Barbie.
Come with me and experience Dao Falls. So let's go.
it's scary because it's my first time.
Oh my God. Parang virgin lang. So guys, we're going to Dao Falls and we will have our tour guide. Hello. Hello. Ka minutes? 25 minutes.
Pindi sa lakaw.